So I got here at 5:55 p.m. yesterday to go to the grand opening of Super Nintendo Land at Universal. It was a long night, ended up getting into line around 11 p.m. and stayed until 4 in the morning when they finally let us close to the park. But the opening ceremony was totally worth it. Got to see Shigeru Miyamoto up close and in person, along with Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach. Got to ride Mario Kart, got to try all the mini games. Once in a lifetime opportunity, but even if you couldn't come today, you should come because it's a great park. So this is the limited design for opening day merchandise. Once these are gone, they are completely gone. You can get this as a poster, a badge reel, a pin, a bag, a tote, pretty much anything you can think of, a magnet as well. Limit 2 per person, but you better come fast because they're selling out. Show me your pin. This is the Super Nintendo World pin, has all the best characters. You can get pins with other characters on them, but I think this one is the best because it's got glitter. I love it.
You want like a regular bag, just go in that souvenir store.
I will let you continue your little journey in the Mushroom Land.
Love it.
Well, there's also one where you can beat it with a bonus. I have no idea what the bonus is. But I can tell you for sure, our difficulty is you have to beat the big guys.